Sharks kill about 10 people per year. Lions kill around 100. Crocodiles kill maybe 1,000. The animal at number 1 on this list kills 750,000 every single year. And you've probably seen one today. This is the definitive ranking of the deadliest animals on Earth, measured by the only number that matters: human deaths. How many humans does this animal actually kill every year? The data comes from the World Health Organization, the Centers for Disease Control, and peer-reviewed research. Number 10. Elephants. 500 human deaths per year. This surprises people. Elephants are gentle giants, right? They're in children's books. They're the good guys. But elephants are 6-ton animals with intelligence, memory, and absolutely no tolerance for threats. They charge at 40 kilometers per hour. Their tusks can pierce a car door. Their feet can crush a human skull like a grape. Most deaths happen in India and Africa, where human settlements overlap with elephant territory. Farmers protecting crops, villagers in the wrong place at the wrong time. Elephants don't hunt humans, but they don't hesitate to kill them either. Number 9. Hippopotamus. Also around 500 deaths per year. This one should surprise exactly no one who actually knows anything about hippos. They're the most aggressive large animal in Africa. They're territorial, unpredictable, and equipped with teeth that can bite a crocodile in half. Hippos kill more people in Africa than lions, leopards, and elephants combined. They flip boats. They attack on land. They chase humans at speeds up to 30 kilometers per hour despite weighing 2 tons. The hippo's cute, chubby appearance is evolution's greatest lie. Number 8. Crocodiles. 1,000 deaths per year. Now we're getting into serious numbers. Crocodiles are ambush predators that have perfected their killing technique over 200 million years. They grab, they roll, they drown. Saltwater crocodile can grow to 6 meters and weigh over a ton. Its bite force is the strongest ever measured in any living animal. Most deaths occur in sub-Saharan Africa and Southeast Asia, where people depend on rivers and lakes for water, washing, and fishing. The crocodile waits, it watches, and then it strikes. Number 7. Scorpions. 2,600 deaths per year. Here's where the pattern starts to emerge. The deadliest animals aren't necessarily the biggest. They're the ones we encounter most often without protection. There are over 2,000 species of scorpion. About 30 have venom powerful enough to kill a human. The deathstalker scorpion in North Africa and the Middle East is particularly lethal. Its venom attacks the nervous system, causing paralysis, heart failure, and death within hours without treatment. Most victims are children in rural areas where medical care is hard to access. Number 6. Assassin bugs. 10,000 deaths per year. You probably haven't heard of these. Most people haven't. They're also called kissing bugs because they bite humans around the mouth while they sleep. That sounds bad enough, but the bite isn't what kills. These bugs carry Trypanosoma cruzi, a parasite that causes Chagas disease. The parasite enters through the bite wound, spreads to the heart and digestive system, and slowly destroys them over decades. 8 million people are infected. Most don't know it until organ failure begins. This is how the deadliest animals really work. Not teeth and claws. Disease. Number 5. Tsetse flies. Another 10,000 deaths per year. Another tiny insect, carrying something far worse than venom. The tsetse fly transmits African sleeping sickness, a parasitic disease that starts with fever and joint pain, then progresses to neurological symptoms as the parasite crosses into the brain. Confusion, sleep disorders, personality changes, and eventually, death. Without treatment, the fatality rate is nearly 100%. The tsetse fly only exists in sub-Saharan Africa, but within that region, it's shaped human history, making vast areas of the continent uninhabitable for cattle and dangerous for humans. Number 4. Dogs. 25,000 deaths per year. This one hurts. Dogs are humanity's best friend. 15,000 years of partnership, loyalty, companionship, love. But dogs also carry rabies. 99% of human rabies deaths come from dog bites, mostly in Asia and Africa, where stray dog populations are high and vaccines are scarce. Rabies is almost 100% fatal once symptoms appear. The virus travels through the nervous system to the brain, causing hydrophobia, aggression, and death. A single bite from an infected dog. That's all it takes. Man's best friend is also mankind's fourth deadliest animal. Number 3. Snakes. 50,000 deaths per year. Finally, an animal that matches our fears. There are over 3,000 snake species. About 600 are venomous. About 200 can kill a human. The saw-scaled viper alone accounts for more deaths than any other snake. Not because it's the most venomous, but because it lives where people live, and it's aggressive. India has the highest snakebite death toll. Rural farmers working in fields, often barefoot, stepping on snakes hidden in crops. Antivenom exists, but in remote areas it might be hours away, and some venoms kill in less than an hour. Snakes deserve their reputation, but they're still only number 3. Number 2. Humans. 400,000 deaths per year. We kill each other more than any other animal kills us. Homicide, war, terrorism, violence. 400,000 people killed by other people every single year. This doesn't include accidents. This doesn't include negligence. This is intentional killing. No claws, no venom, no disease. Just humans doing what humans do to other humans. We are the second deadliest animal on Earth, and we're not even close to number 1. Number 1. Mosquitoes. 750,000 deaths per year, more than snakes, dogs, and humans combined. A creature that weighs 2 milligrams, that you can kill with a casual slap, that doesn't have teeth or claws or venom. The mosquito is the deadliest animal in the history of life on Earth. Malaria alone kills over 600,000 people every year, mostly children under 5, mostly in sub-Saharan Africa. 1 child dies of malaria every minute, every single day, year after year. But malaria isn't the only weapon. Mosquitoes also spread dengue fever, 50 million cases per year. Yellow fever, historically one of the most feared diseases in the Americas. Zika virus, West Nile virus, chikungunya, Japanese encephalitis. The mosquito doesn't kill with its bite. It kills with what it carries. A flying syringe, injecting disease after disease after disease into human bloodstream. Some researchers estimate that mosquitoes have killed half of all humans who ever lived. 52 billion people have died throughout human history. Mosquito-borne diseases may have killed half of them. No predator comes close. No war, no famine, no natural disaster. The mosquito is the single deadliest force in human history, and it weighs less than a raindrop. We make movies about sharks. We build cages to protect ourselves from lions. We fear crocodiles and wolves and bears. But the deadliest animal on Earth can land on your arm right now, and you might not even notice until it's too late. We've been fearing the wrong animals our entire lives. Elephants, hippos, crocodiles, scorpions, assassin bugs, tsetse flies, dogs, snakes, humans. And at the top, undefeated, unchallengeable, the mosquito. The deadliest animal isn't the one with the biggest teeth. It's the one you don't see coming. If you enjoyed this, you'll go crazy for this video. Porcupine versus Komodo dragon. One wrong bite. Click here now.